Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching everyone how to have your NIN on your phone app. I'm gonna be teaching everyone how to have your national ID card as a Nigerian on your mobile device. You're using an Apple phone, you're using an Android phone. I'm gonna teach you how to have your NIN on your phone. The advantage of this is you don't need to carry your phone, you don't need to carry your NIN all along everywhere you go, but you can have your NIN, your national ID card as a Nigerian on your mobile phone. So today I'm going to teach you so you can install it on your phone. Very easy, and it's government approved. The federal government approved this. So you're going to follow me gently. I'm going to teach you how to. But before then, just make sure you have your national ID number. Because it's through your national ID number you're going to import this your card into your phone. The app is created by the federal government and it's government approved. So there's nothing to be afraid of. There is nothing to be afraid of. I'm going to teach you how to do this. So guys, follow me. Let me teach you how to do this. And don't forget to like this channel and subscribe if today is your first time of coming along. Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget, I'm gonna be teaching you step by step. Follow me, let's go. This app is created by the federal government, so there's nothing to be afraid of. Federal government of Nigeria created this app for Nigerians so that you won't misplace your card. That you won't go about carrying your card all over the place. So if you're using an Apple phone, you click on App Store, and if you're using an Android phone, you go to your Play Store. So watch. So you come here, the search place, then you type NIMC. Then you install this your personal ID. It is secure. So the advantage of this app is so that you won't misplace your card. Your card will be installed in this app. You can do all sort of editing, anything you want. You can do all editing, your name, upgrading your picture, whatever, in this app. So then you install it on your phone. So because I already installed it, so I just click open. Then click on this, 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 then click on get started. Follow me carefully. Then you click on agree terms. Then you input your NIN digits. Input it. Then you wait for it to load. Then I still use this number. I still use this number because my number is still valid. If your number is not valid, maybe you have lost it or you have misplaced it, then you can choose I want to use another number. Then you can edit another number into your NIN. So I click, I still use this. Then an OTP will appear. Can you see? Then it is loading. Can you see? Everything is encrypted. Can you see? Can you see? Then I have to create a PIN so that anybody who click on the app cannot access my NIN. This app is very secure, so I have to create a PIN. Can you see? Then to confirm the PIN. Can you see? Now, can you see? Watch. Now my NIN is not digital. Can you see, guys? My NIN is not digital. So to view your NIN, just click on the place they call show ID. Once you click on show ID, then you can see your NIN. Everything will display. You will see it completely. Everything will display. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on this channel. Thank you.